Good morning, everybody. My name is Anggreni Dia with my team Putri Suryandari. Today, I want to present our research with the title The Al-Quran Skyline Model for the Horizon of High-Rise Building in Urban Areas. The study case of the Nusantara Capital City or IKN, Region Kalimantan. Background our research, relocation of the capital city or IKN to Kalimantan is a national strategy to reduce over concentration in Java to establish a sustainable, equitable, and resilient city. The new capital is expected to represent Indonesia identity not only as a modern smart city but also as a city with the cultural and spiritual depth. In contemporary global city, skyline often serve as a visual symbol of power, progress, and modernity, yet they frequently lose local values and spiritual identify. For IKN, the challenge is how to integrate Islamic values into the urban skyline design while still maintaining inclusivity and universality as a national capital. The skyline as the face of the city has the potential become an Islamic urban marker that reflects Quranic principle of light, rhythm, and harmony, offering both conventional and spiritual meaning. Our problem research is how can Quran spiritual principle be translated into skyline design? How can high-rise shadow synchronize with the prayer times? And how can solar orientation and vertical form shape an Islamic identity for IKN? Our research objective: create a skyline model based on Quranic principle, analyze high-rise shadow pattern in IKN, and integrate solar orientation, prayer time, and verticality into an Islamic city identity. We use the literature review skyline is the city image and ideology symbol with the hut and zukir. Islamic architecture, tawazun or balance, tanzim or order, jamal or beauty. From Quran, reserve on light, order, and verticality. Quran Al-Qamar 49 and Al-Muluk 3 and An-Nur 35. Methodology our research. Qualitative exploratory study with Quranic text analysis, typological study of Islamic skyline with Mecca, Madinah, and Istanbul, and simulation of Al-Quran skyline in IKN with the digital modeling and solar path. Key design principle: proportional verticality, geometric rhythm, spiritual dominance, transparency and light, and the integration with a landscape. Skyline simulation: pillar of the Al-Quran model with the surah and verse number translate into pillar form. Concentric arrangement resembling Islamic urban structure and shadow synchronized with the prayer time. The picture, the first circle is a unit, the second circle is a 10, and the third circle is 100. This is location of the Quran skyline in IKN. This is recommendation, the central of IKN to be location of Quran skyline. This is the table. The picture is sun shading during the 3 period of the year. This is our simulation for skyline Al-Quran. And the picture is the sunlight and shadow projection. We use the simulation for pillar Al-Quran and use every time we use the different shadow in pillar Al-Quran. Spiritual visualization for prayer time. Fajar, first light, minaret illumination with the Tawhid, Zuhur with the zenith light, mosque roof glowing, Asar long shadow with their spiritual pathway, Maghrib with dramatical silhouette, light to the dark transition, and the Isha artificial light, Nurun ala Nur. Urban impact positive. Islamic is a modern city icon based on Al-Quran. Integration with the concentric zone theory with the Burgess and the potential synergy with the renewable energy design. Urban impact with the challenge. IKN is multicultural, need inclusive identity, avoid exclusive religious symbolism in public urban design. This is conclusion for our research. Al-Quran skyline is the Islamic skyline with the model root in the light, shadow, and Quran. Function is prayer time maker, spiritual symbol, and the visual rhythm. Contributions shape IKN identity as Islamic, modern, and sustainable. And for the future work, technical guideline and integration with smart city concept. Thank you.